What's going on, everyone? This is Slackerman with another diecast model review. Today we are looking at two Hobbymaster Sabers. We have the Korean War F-86 Saber and the Vietnam War F-100D Super Saber. These are two models I recently picked up. I've had the F-100 Super Saber actually for a little bit, but my most recent purchase was the F-86 Saber. The F-86 is one of my favorite jet fighters of the Cold War, and really excited to finally get a 172 model of this. So let's take a look. As far as the packaging, we get the smaller box for the F-86 Saber, a little bit bigger box for the F-100D Super Saber. It does come, the F-86, with some external fuel tanks and a little plug for the hole that the stand plugs into. As far as the detail for this one, the chrome paintwork is amazing. All of the different panel linings and markings on the F-86 is outstanding. You have all of your markers there, the stabilizer, the checkered flag there, or the checkered design looks great. You have your U.S. Air Force there, and again, just all the different panel linings and markings on this. I also love the yellow and black outline stripe there. You do have your pilot. This is, I forget the pilot's name in this, but this is the top ace of the Korean War. I forget the pilot's name, but this was his F-86 Saber. I think it's Bodacious Butch is the name of his aircraft. And then you can see all of his kills there on the nose. You do have the gun port for the 50 cal, 350 caliber machine guns on each side for a total of 6. I love the big intake, and then you have a nice little blue design around, or like a pinstripe around the big air intake. You can see the nice little gun radar, the black dot, and then the not heads-up display, but the gun sight over the pilot's face. Again, just taking a look at the underside, you have USAF. All of the markings are great. Again, just probably one of my favorite Hobby Masters that I own. They did a really good job with this one, and one of my favorite jet fighter aircraft. Now we go to the Vietnam era F-100 Super Saber. This is also a really cool model. You have the Vietnam Air Force era camo paintwork. All of the panel linings and everything on this is great as well. You have your little pilot inside. I don't know if you have the pilot's name there, but you have a little bit of information right there. All the warning placards and whatnot are great. You do have, this does come with the air refueling probe and the big antenna. I just didn't plug mine in to this one, but it does come with that. As far as the armament, you get your napalm on each side. You get the external fuel tanks, and you get some, I believe those are snake eye bombs. The Super Saber comes with 4 20mm cannons, and you can see the little indents right there in the nose. I always liked the design of the Super Saber and the regular Saber, two of my favorite aircraft. Again, Hobby Master, probably one of the best for 172 scale models. My camera kind of sucks, so I can't pick up all the detail in this lighting, but just a really well painted and designed model. So again, just want to do a quick video on the two Sabers. If I had to pick, I like the Vietnam era for warplanes and jets a little bit more, but I think the Korean War F-86 Saber, just the all silver and the design in general of the Saber, I would get this model over the Super Saber if you could only get one. Corgi also makes some really cool F-86 Sabers, so check them out if you can't find a Hobby Master. This one was pretty rare to find, or hard to find, I should say, so I'm glad I picked it up. I do have coming in one of my first Century Wings. I have a Crusader, Vietnam era Crusader coming in, Navy Crusader, so I'm excited to review that. And I also have a 1/72 scale Hind helicopter gunship that I'll be reviewing. So thanks a lot for watching, and hope everyone liked the video. Bye.